my gosh.
Move, car!
You're such an idiot. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
you got so lucky. Oh.
Ah, man. Oh, no.
Pretty positive this guy is just rag and dry right now. Oh, oh, oh no. Oh no.
Oh, 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 you alright?
Yeah, I'm good.
You good?
Wrong way there, bud.
He's not even looking over, man.
I've seen trucks like this before.
And pull your bars up.